Africanus. To me, if your body, mind, and spirit are not in harmony, then you are in trouble. For me, as a storyteller, I am so grateful, that my love for storytelling is like, love made visible. Now, for me, as I walk from the morning of my life into the afternoon of my life, I think I am living my life purpose through storytelling. And if suppose I did not live my life purpose, which is storytelling, I would have loads of problems. I'll have great pain. I'll have an identity crisis because I'm not living my life purpose. So, for your mind, body, and spirit to be in harmony, think about your life purpose. Live your life purpose. That is my philosophy. Africanus.